I've had students sit in my office and feel like they were a failure. They can never impress anybody, and by the time they graduate, you can see it in their walk, you can see it in their stride, in their talk. They're fully confident, and they're walking on a job site like, I'm not getting ready, I'm ready. Let's go.
Looking good, looking good.
I try to be a rapport from day one. I try to actually get to know this individual and their background. You know, what are your interests? Who are your parents? Where did you go to school at? What do you do on the weekends? And from there, I try to meet them where they are.
Sit there too long, get it connected, and better go.
I know how it is to feel like no one believes in you. So my job is to bring the best out of those individuals and, you know, build that confidence within them.
Good penetration. All right.
Of course, our job is to train them how to weld. What he wants is to know when they walk out of here, they're set for the rest of their life. What he's doing with them in the classroom and in the lab is training them to how to adapt to jobs, how to always be thinking of the next step and looking forward to the future.
He didn't just teach me to be a welder, he taught me how to thrive in a community that pushes back at me every day. He immediately took me under his wing and immediately treated me just like one of the guys, just like he would have treated anybody else, talking to me about my welds, talking about me how I did it, how I can improve it.
He would show you how to do it, but he also made you do it. You know, it wasn't like, well, I think I could do that. It was, I know I can do it because after he did it, he made me do it.
You got your configurations right yet? 1.75. You know what that is in fraction form, right?
I try to every day let them know that behind every weld that we lay, STEM is written all over it. The science behind fusing metal together, the technology with the machines that you work with the advanced tools that you work with. We use angles, specifications, codes and stuff. That's mathematics, that's engineering.
He really wanted to see his students thrive not only in the classroom, but also outside of the classroom. And so from that was birthed ArcVision's Welding Club, which is thriving.
We went to Chicago to FabTech, which is the largest trade show in North America.
A little faster.
That was just mind-blowing and life-changing. Being able to meet women and larger people in the field that started here in a trade school and then they went up and became who they are right now, it just huh.
We were also able to visit the tallest monument in the United States, which is the Gateway Arch, which was built by welders. And we met some of the inspectors that inspected on this Gateway Arch as well. What I love most about teaching is seeing the transition these students make. There's confidence in knowing that they have not only a skill set, they can feel like they're a part of something. Now they can contribute to society.
You missed it. I've been looking for you all week.
I mean, how could you not enjoy coming in to work when you change an individual's life like that?